In this video, we're going to download and install Cursor and then use it to build our very first website with AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Cursor AI. Open the official Cursor website and click Download. Select the Windows version and wait for the download to finish. Once it's downloaded, open the installer and follow the installation steps. You can keep the recommended settings. After the installation is complete, open Cursor. Now let's create our first website. Create a new folder on your computer and name it something like My First Website. Open this folder in Cursor. Now open the AI chat or agent inside Cursor. This is where we can tell the AI what we want to build. For our first website, I'll give it a simple prompt. Create a modern, responsive personal portfolio website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Include a hero section, about section, skills, projects, and contact section. Now let Cursor generate the files for us. You should see it creating the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. Once the code is ready, open the HTML file in your browser. And there we go. We now have a working website created with the help of AI. But let's make it a little better. Instead of manually editing the code, we can simply ask Cursor to make changes. For example, I'll ask, make the website more modern, improve the spacing, and add smooth animations. Cursor will analyze the existing project and make the changes for us. Now, let's refresh the website and see the result. And that's it. We've downloaded Cursor, installed it, created our first project, and built a website using AI. This is just the beginning of what you can do with AI coding tools. Subscribe for more AI tutorials.